Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today, we're diving deep into the world of green cleaning. That's right, we're talking eco-friendly, all-natural cleaning products. Who here loves a sparkling clean home, but not so much the harsh chemicals lurking in those store-bought cleaners? Yeah, me neither. The good news is, you can achieve a squeaky clean home without harming the environment or your health. Let's ditch the toxic fumes and embrace the power of nature. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of using all-natural cleaning products, whip up some DIY cleaning solutions, and share some awesome tips for a green cleaning routine. So hit that like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep for more eco-friendly living content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Just a reminder, vinegar should not be used to clean stone countertops, such as granite or quartz, etc. The acid in the vinegar can damage the stone. These countertops can be safe. If you have any doubt, consult your own or user manual for manufacturer's cleaning and care instructions. It is always safe to use a dish soap and water solution with a sponge or a microfiber cloth. So why go green? Before we jump into the DIY fun, let's talk about why going green with your cleaning products is a fantastic choice. First up, your health. Many conventional cleaners contain harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin, eyes, and respiratory system. Switching to natural cleaners eliminates these risks, making cleaning a much healthier experience for everyone in your home, especially those with allergies or sensitivities. It's also healthier for your pets. Next, consider the impact on the environment. Those harsh chemicals often end up in our waterways through drains and disposal. This can harm wildlife and pollute our water sources. Natural cleaners, on the other hand, are often biodegradable and much gentler on the environment. Finally, let's not forget saving some green. You might be surprised to learn how affordable going natural can be. Plus, you almost always have the ingredients to make more cleaner instead of running to the store for more. Many effective cleaning solutions can be made with everyday household items like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. Plus, you won't be constantly buying new products. DIY cleaning solutions. All right, let's get down to business. Today, we're making 3 essential natural cleaning solutions. All-purpose cleaner, the workhorse. All-purpose cleaner. This one's your cleaning MVP. The all-purpose cleaner will tackle most surfaces in your home. In a spray bottle, simply combine equal parts white vinegar and water. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a refreshing scent. Lavender and lemon are popular choices. Give it a good shake, and you're ready to clean countertops, floors, appliances. You name it. Bathroom disinfectant, banishing the germs. Bathroom disinfectant. For those germy areas in your bathroom, we need something a little stronger. In a separate spray bottle, combine 2 cups of water with half a cup of white vinegar and 20 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural disinfectant with a powerful antibacterial and antifungal punch. Just remember, tea tree oil can irritate skin, so be sure to wear gloves when using this solution. Again, be careful not to use vinegar on any natural stone countertops, showers, or floors. The acid in the vinegar can damage the stone. You can use a solution of dish soap and water for these surfaces. Keep watching for a bonus hack later on in the video. Glass cleaner, crystal clear shine. Glass cleaner. Want sparkling windows and streak-free mirrors? Simply mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. For extra cleaning power, add a squirt of fresh lemon juice. This natural cleaner will leave your glass surfaces gleaming. Now you have 3 powerful cleaning solutions made with all natural ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen already. Remember to label your bottles clearly and keep them out of reach of children and pets. Green cleaning tips and tricks. Now that you have your natural cleaning arsenal ready, let's explore some additional green cleaning tips and tricks. Embrace microfiber cloths. First up, ditch the paper towels. Microfiber cloths are reusable, washable, and incredibly effective at picking up dirt and grime buildup, making cleaning easier. They're perfect for most cleaning tasks and save you money in the long run. The power of prevention. Prevention is key. Regularly wiping down surfaces can prevent dirt and grime from accumulating, making your cleaning routine a breeze. Plus, it means you won't need harsh chemicals as often to tackle tough messes. Sunshine Power. Harness the natural disinfectant. Speaking of tough messes, did you know sunlight is a natural disinfectant? Open your windows and let the sunshine in whenever possible to keep your home smelling naturally clean and fresh. Sunlight helps kill bacteria and viruses naturally. Think outside the bottle. Repurpose and refill. Before tossing empty cleaning product bottles, consider giving them a new life. Rinse them thoroughly and refill them with your homemade cleaning solutions. It's a simple way to reduce waste and save money. The power of baking soda, a scouring superstar. For tougher scrubbing jobs, baking soda is your friend. It's a natural abrasive that can tackle baked-on messes on ovens, sinks, and even pots and pans. Simply sprinkle baking soda on the affected area, add a little water to create a paste, and scrub gently with a sponge or brush. Let's get crafty. Natural oven scrub. For a more powerful oven scrub, create a paste of baking soda, water, and a sprinkle of salt. Apply the paste to the greasy oven interior. Let it sit for a few hours, or overnight for tough messes. Then wipe clean with a damp cloth. If you are going to leave it overnight before you wipe, cover the paste with plastic wrap. This will keep it moist and make sure the baking soda keeps working overnight. The baking soda will loosen the grime, making cleaning a breeze. Lemons, nature's deodorizer. Lemons are another fantastic natural cleaning tool. The citric acid in lemons helps cut through grease and grime while leaving a fresh scent. Cut a lemon in half and use it to scrub cutting boards, stainless steel appliances, or even freshen up your garbage disposal by grinding up the lemon rinds. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite all-natural cleaning product? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Here's a bonus tip. Invest in a set of colorful microfiber cloths. Assign a specific color for different areas of your home. For example, red for the kitchen, green for the bathroom, and yellow for general cleaning. This helps prevent cross-contamination and keeps your cleaning routine organized. With a few simple swaps and some DIY know-how, you can create a green cleaning routine that's good for your home, your health, and the planet. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference, so ditch all of the harsh chemicals. Embrace the power of nature and enjoy a clean and healthy home.